Good morning. This is our testing for this sim808 or warcry GSM GPS module. Actually, it also has Bluetooth. As you can see, merong antenna dito that is not used. Ang name niya is actually Bluetooth antenna, BT antenna. But we have no antenna for that, and it's not available on market. So we have this active GPS antenna. Okay, will let us connect to GPS satellite. Just place it outside the window para mabilis yung lock-in period or mabilis siyang makahanap ng GPS signal. So we have this active GSM antenna for the sending and para sa SIM card, okay, for us to communicate using mobile telecoms. And I have this old arduino uno, okay, for us to program. Okay, so let's go to testing. So the first, I will be testing the capability of this module to send and receive SMS. Okay. So by the way, for the external power supply of the module, I'll be using a power bank. Actually, in all applications of GPS tracker or anything that concerns with GPS tracker, they use two output power banks. So bale, isa sa mga output, yung 2 ampere will be used for the sim808, and then yung isa sa mga output, itong isa, will be used for the Arduino. So both of them will be powered, and the good thing with power bank is matagal siyang malobat, meaning you can use it for hours or even days. Tapos pwede mo siyang i-recharge, unlike yung mga batteries. So we'll be doing that. Okay, power up ko to. sim808. Okay, so nakita nyo umilaw yung power button, and to turn on the GPS and GSM, so just need to press this power LED, so this button. Okay, as you can see, mag-turn on siya dito and magkakaroon ng blink. The LED dito sa my bottom part is actually your GSM signal. So kung ganyan yung pulse niya is every 3 seconds, that means your GSM is already connected sa network. The LED in between, yung sa gitna, is actually your power LED, meaning kapag umiilaw yan, your system is now good to go. And then yung D5, the LED dito sa taas, is actually your GPS LED. So kung meron na siyang naka-lock-in na satellite, iilaw din yan siya, magbi-blink-blink din. Okay. So for now, we'll be programming the Arduino. Again, ang first na testing natin will be yung sending and receiving SMS. Okay. So this is the sample code. Actually, this is just a code na using library. So ang gagawin niya lang is magsisend ng message once dito sa cellphone na to. Okay, bali magsisend siya ng message dito. Tapos magre-receive din siya ng mga SMS. So basically, this is the code where you want to start. Mag-create ka ng mga SMS commands, okay, na gagawin ng system. So Arduino Uno, and then COM23, then upload. So it's now uploading, compiling sketch. By the way, the red ones are warnings, so no problem with that. Okay, so open ko yung serial monitor. So again, naka 96 dapat. Okay. Sorry for that. Okay, tatanggalin ko muna siya ulit. Yung wires dito sa my desktop is quite loose. Okay. And then sasaksak ko siya ulit. Okay, I think tapos na siya nag-upload, so open ko yung serial monitor. So it's initializing GSM. The start of GSM GSM system is always initializing ng GSM. So it will take time para ma-initialize siya, pero after initializing, it will be okay. So GSM is ready. Okay, so let's now check our cell phone. Dapat maka-receive siya ng SMS. Okay. SMS testing for sim808. Actually, sinabi doon, SMS sent to, okay, lock this one. Okay, so yun yung kanyang message. Okay, actually ginamit ko yung SIM card for other applications last time. So we have SMS testing for sim808. So by the way, ang code na yan is to send once tapos magre-receive ng message. So mag-reply ako any tapos send. So makikita natin dapat dito sa serial monitor yung mga na-receive na message. Okay. Receive SMS from, okay, yung sinulat ko dyan. So basically, when you create SMS commands, you can use this code to start. Dito ka na mag-start mag-code. You can just use string compare. Bale, yung sinend ko, pag pumasok yan dun sa serial monitor, will become a string. So, i-compare mo lang yung string, parang if-else comparison ng string compare. So, I guess that's for the sending and receiving SMS. So, I think, okay. This is your GPS antenna again, your GSM antenna. Okay. Now we'll go on to the next example is nandun lang yun yung code sa library. Yun sim808 for Uno. Actually, there's a different library for Uno and Mega. So GPS. Okay. So this is in code na to will just print out the GPS coordinates kung nasaan tayo ngayon. Or nasa ako ngayon, so just upload. Okay, so for the GPS, there is quite a tweak one. So kailangan yung antenna mo is nasa labas. Okay, and kapag medyo mabagyo or something like cloudy, medyo matagal yung kanyang lock-in period. Okay, so I think nakita nyo, this is the GPS antenna. Just take it out. Okay, so ilalagay ko siya sa labas. So medyo cloudy yung ngayon due to the typhoon. So we expect a longer time to lock in. The good thing with this GPS, active GPS antenna is that it will lock in faster. Tapos once nag-lock in, hindi na siya it will just consistent na yun siya. Kaya lock in yung tawag. The problem is sometimes matagal yung lock-in period. And sometimes merong fails. So, okay, we have status ready, GPS ready. Okay. And now we'll be waiting for it to lock in sa GPS satellites. So, based sa GPS na lectures or anything about GPS, you need 4 satellites na makita ng antenna for you to have a correct triangulation ng GPS coordinates, meaning naghahanap yung antenna or yung module ng 4 na GPS satellites. So I think fix okay. Ibig sabihin nagkaroon na tayo ng fix. So that is your, actually ang first na binibigay niya dyan is, if I'm not mistaken, longitude and then latitude, and then this one is I think this one is acceleration, velocity. This one is altitude from the sea level, and this one is time, UTC version. So meron siyang 5 na binibigay na tawag natin dyan, 5 na binibigay na data. So ito yung velocity mo with respect to earth rotation, ito yung time, this is your altitude, this is your altitude from sea level nitong lugar namin. So parang 3D siya kumbaga. And then the second one is this, yung 6.9 is your latitude, and then this is your longitude. So let's try to place this. Okay, tapos ilagay natin sa Google Map. Google Map Maps. So what we do is ilalagay ko lang dito yung, I think the first one is ito yata yung latitude. Okay. Hindi ko na paste. Control V. Yun, latitude, and then I think comma tapos longitude. Copy ko to. Kung hindi, baka baliktad. Just enter and will give you your exact location. Okay. So basically, that's where I am. Yung naka-point na yun. So, Villa Margarita, San Roque, Zamboanga. It's actually from Zamboanga City. Okay, San Roque, Zamboanga City. So, it's an exact triangulation ng GPS satellites. So, thank you.